डेवलपर के माइंड में हमेशा ये होता है कि हाउ कैन आई रीयूज दिस कोड.
जी हाँ.
मेहनत बच जाती है.
We can request the dev to have a screen recording software. जिसमें उसको हर
Isn't that a bit creepy?
स्टार्टअप्स की बात करते हैं तो उसमें वो अफोर्ड शायद ना कर सके टू हायरिंग एडिशनल रिसोर्सेज. They just want a developer directly.
ये डिजिटलाइजेशन की तरफ जा रहे हैं and they want an app in that regard and but they have zero idea about apps or digital technology. So how would you guide them? Suppose someone has incorporated their company and even if they have not incorporated the company, they come to you with an idea. So what do they look for when they want app development?
Is it possible that if you have worked on one idea, you cannot do it again, or like is it not possible?
Clients they want to do something different. They don't want to do the same thing जो market में है already.
The startup does not have a budget to hire both a designer and an app developer. तो उसमें फिर what do you do?
और डेवलपर अगर बहुत ज़्यादा स्किल्ड है तो फिर वो डिज़ाइन का रोल भी ले सकता है. और
What is the most wackiest request that the client has ever given you?
Do you have any idea about SaaS, software as a service?
यूजुअली आप फिर एक मिडिल मैन इंट्रोड्यूस कराते हो जिसको दोनों की समझ है. तो क्लाइंट की रिक्वायरमेंट भी समझ है
ठीक है.
और डेवलपर्स की भी समझ